Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we're diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on the 28th of July, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of June, 2025, our system has identified SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.73. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.75%. This equates to an average return of 0.24% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 20.75% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 9.77% to 47.04%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around 28.55%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 3.39% and 217.97% over the coming year. In current terms, this translates to a future price estimated to be between $11.62 and $35.74. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI features the headline, High Volatility in SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price on Monday, which ended trading at $11.24. The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price experienced a decline of 4.01% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, dropping from $11.71 to $11.24. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock exhibited fluctuations of 10.17%, ranging from a low of $11.11 to a high of $12.24. Over the last 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 of those days, resulting in an overall decline of 1.83% during this period. Additionally, the trading volume also fell on the last day, which can be viewed positively as volume typically follows the stock's movement. On that day, trading volume decreased by 9 million shares, with a total of 28 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $310,870,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price reached $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.94. Currently, the price sits 55% or $13.74 below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the symbol SOUN, has been making headlines recently, suggesting a mixed yet intriguing outlook for the stock. On one hand, SOUN is facing a challenging year, having seen a decline of 40% in 2025, following an impressive surge of 835% in 2024. This volatility raises concerns among investors, who may now perceive it as a higher risk in an already heated AI market. The company's recent expansion into the restaurant sector, showcasing 13,000 live sites utilizing its Polaris-powered AI, suggests potential growth opportunities. Such strategic initiatives may help rekindle investor interest, particularly if anticipated market trends favor AI technologies for improving operational efficiency. Additionally, SOUN has partnered with Avant Communications to extend the deployment of its AI solutions, potentially enhancing its market reach and customer base. Looking ahead, SoundHound is set to report its second quarter financial results on August 7th, a crucial event that could sway short-term sentiment. Positive results may spark a rebound in stock price, while disappointing figures could deepen current downward trends. In conclusion, sound investment strategies typically involve a balance of both stable and high-risk assets. SOUN's positioning, as a company with significant growth potential yet recent underperformance, could attract investors aiming to capitalize on market fluctuations, particularly in the dynamic AI sector. While short-term challenges persist, long-term growth prospects linked to strategic expansion and sector demand could ultimately shape a favorable trajectory for SoundHound's stock performance. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned SOUN a neutral rating along with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright also assigned SOUN a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earning ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock currently presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, it simultaneously shows a buy signal from the long-term average. As the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $11.85. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $10.84. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will prompt a sell signal. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 9, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 12.87%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal stemming from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume should typically align with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivot suggested a sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger presented a buy signal 18 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy opportunity 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 19 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 19 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. identifies support for an accumulated volume at $11.12. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, reflecting high volatility. Given the large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.13 between its high and low points, which represents a movement of 10.17%. During the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 6.66%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can go through downturns due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -6 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.70. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $11.12. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Michael Zagorsek, who bought and sold 193,573 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -42.870. Overall, insiders purchased 2,620,990 shares and sold 6,925,147 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.56, reflecting a decrease of 6.02%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 13 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, paired with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for SoundHound AI Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock, moving from a hold to a buy recommendation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of July, we anticipate SoundHound AI will open higher by 290 cents, starting at $11.53. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below to share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.